Brooks, are you playing in the dirt? Oh, you gonna touch the water? Water. Ooh, it's cold water. Oh, are you gonna go in? You're gonna get all wet. You're gonna get all wet. Yeah. You take his hat off. Is that fun? Oh, it's so cold. Oh, and there's grass. I don't want him to get in the water. Might get a little cold. Oh well, yeah, you're all wet now. That's okay. Pants are all wet. Brr! You don't seem to mind.
No.
Feel the rocks. Let's take a look at where you are, Brooks. Show everybody where you are. We are at Avalanche Lake. Up at these mountains. It's Great Basin. Cirque. Beautiful hike. Brooks, did you like the hike too?
I think he did.
Say bye. He's having a ball. Brooks, what'd you find? Let's see those hands. Show everybody those
Mom
hands.
in your hands.
Let's see what you're doing
He's
with
got to get
those.
more dirt first.
Yeah, let's see that. What are you getting? Black dirt? Oh, that's so fun. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No way, I'm busy.